In this video, I'll show you how to fix sound not working in Windows 11. Make sure you watch this full video so you know all of the steps that you need to go and follow and all the different sort of tricks and tips I'll be explaining in this video. Now let's do this. Here we are on Windows 11 and let's get right into these fixes. The first thing you need to do is go and check that the audio definitely isn't working. To go and do that, what I recommend doing is trying sound from different applications and websites. Sometimes individual applications may be causing the problem, so just make sure that your whole sound on Windows isn't working. Then what you want to do is just make sure that you've definitely gone and increased your volume. This may seem very simple, but do keep watching. I'm showing you other methods as well. Just come to the bottom right and go and tap on your sound button, just like so, and just go and increase it to see if that makes any impact. The next thing you want to do is go to your sound settings. To do that, go and tap on search like so, and either you can go straight to your settings or just type in sound settings like so, and we can get straight to these settings here. Then I'm going to go and zoom in on this for you, and what you need to do is make sure you've got the correct output selected. For example, if I went and used this USB PNP sound device, this wouldn't work and I wouldn't hear anything. So just make sure that you selected an output which actually works, or maybe try changing the output to another speaker to see if that makes any difference. And what's also worth checking is if there's any mute buttons on the actual speaker itself, because sometimes that may be causing a problem, or there may be a volume control on the speaker as well. So try changing that and just make sure that everything is plugged in correctly, but it should be if it's being listed here. Now the next thing we need to go and do is actually go and check for our audio drivers, and we can actually go and reinstall them. To do that, all you need to do is come to the bottom of Windows and go and tap on search, and you want to go and type in device manager just like so, and wait for it to open. Then I'll go and zoom in on this for you. And what you want to do is go and tap on audio inputs and outputs, go and expand that. And what you need to do is go and find the speaker which you mainly use. In my case, it's this one here, speakers Realtek audio. Then what you want to do is click on it once and then right click on it, and then go and tap on properties just like so. Then go and tap on driver like so. And what you need to do is go and tap on uninstall device. When you go and tap on this, there'll be a sort of little menu you can run through to uninstall it. And then what you need to do is go and restart your computer, and then the device will be reinstalled, and hopefully that goes and fixes the problem. If that still doesn't fix the problem, then what you want to do is go and tap on search again, and we want to go and type in troubleshoot. We can actually go and troubleshoot, and Windows is going to detect any problems which may be happening with your sound. So go to troubleshoot settings just like this. Then what we need to do is go and tap on other troubleshooters here if there isn't one for our audio here. And then there's going to be most frequent and other. And as you can see, playing audio is in most frequent, but you may need to scroll down to other to go and find it. Then all you need to do is go and tap on run, and the troubleshooter is going to go and start. And all you need to do is go and see if Windows detects anything. And if it does, try and resolve those problems. If you guys found this useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.